Welcome to this guided meditation voiced by kids. We're making slime today. Let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, allowing yourself to relax and let go of any tension or stress. As you exhale, feel your body becoming lighter, as if you're floating on a cloud. Now, imagine yourself in a cozy, bright room filled with colorful supplies and the delightful aroma of creativity. You're surrounded by jars of glitter, tubes of colorful paint, and bottles of magical ingredients. This is your slime-making sanctuary, a place where you can let your imagination run wild and create something truly unique. Take a moment to feel the excitement and anticipation bubbling up inside you. The possibilities are endless as you begin to gather your favorite ingredients. Maybe you choose a vibrant blue color or a sparkling pink glitter. Perhaps you're drawn to the soft texture of foam beads, or the shimmering effect of metallic paint. As you carefully measure and mix the ingredients together, feel the sense of focus and calm that washes over you. Each movement of your hands is deliberate and precise, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the creative process. Notice how the colors blend and transform, creating a mesmerizing swirl of beauty and wonder. As the slime begins to take shape, you feel a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. It's a tangible representation of your creativity and imagination. Take a moment to appreciate the unique qualities of your slime, its texture, color, and the way it stretches and molds in your hands. Now, imagine holding your finished slime, feeling its coolness and softness against your skin. As you play with it, notice how it brings a sense of joy and relaxation. The act of squishing, stretching, and shaping the slime becomes a soothing and meditative experience. As you explore the tactile nature of the slime, let your mind wander. Allow yourself to become fully present in this moment, letting go of any worries or thoughts. Focus on the sensations, the sounds of the slime squishing between your fingers, and the visual delight of its vibrant colors. With each breath, feel a deep sense of calm and tranquility washing over you. The act of making slime becomes a form of mindfulness, a way to be fully present and engaged in the present moment. Take a few more moments to savor this experience, to fully immerse yourself in the joy and relaxation that making slime brings. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing the sense of calm and creativity with you into the rest of your day. As you continue to explore the fascinating world of slime, imagine yourself sharing your creation with others. Picture the smiles on their faces as they marvel at your colorful and unique slime. The joy and happiness that it brings to their hearts make you feel a deep sense of satisfaction and connection. Now, envision a group of friends or family members gathered around a table, each holding their own container of slime. Together, you engage in a playful and creative experience, exchanging ideas and techniques. You inspire each other with new colors, textures, and even scents for the slime. Feel the warmth of their presence, the laughter, and the shared sense of wonder. As you interact with others, notice how the energy in the room becomes vibrant and uplifting. It's a beautiful reminder of the power of creativity and connection. As you take turns showing off your creations, there's a sense of appreciation and admiration. Each person's slime is unique, reflecting their own personality and style. You feel a deep sense of acceptance and belonging as you share in this creative journey together. In this moment, you realize that the act of making slime is not just about the finished product. It's about the joy and connection that comes from sharing your creativity with others. It's about the shared experience of discovery, laughter, and collaboration. As you bask in the happiness and connection of this shared slime-making experience, allow a sense of gratitude to fill your heart. Gratitude for the people in your life who appreciate and celebrate your creativity. Gratitude for the opportunity to share this joyful experience with others. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with gratitude, and exhale any remaining tension or stress. Allow this sense of gratitude and connection to linger within you, carrying it with you throughout your day. Know that the joy and creativity you experience when making slime can be shared and celebrated with others. Whether it's with friends, family, or even a wider community, the act of making slime has the power to bring people together and create lasting memories. When you're ready, gently bring your attention back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the renewed energy and creativity flowing through your body. Carry this sense of joy and connection with you as you go about your day, knowing that your creative spirit can bring light and happiness to yourself and others. Open your eyes and let the world around you shine with the colors of possibility and creativity. Embrace the magic of slime making and the connections it brings, both within yourself and with those around you. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more meditation content. Like or share this video.